Here's a quick Map Business Online web demo. We're going to just try to find demographic data within a circle on the map. And a quick way to do that is to go up to the Map Business Online search tools, grab the radius search tool. It'll turn green when activated. You can drop that point anywhere on the map. You could drop it on one of the points you've imported, or you could drop it somewhere unrelated. Choose the circle distance, the radius distance, and then search that data. So you can see sort of in the background there, you can see there's a little circle. We can drill in on that in just a second. You could query the layers that come up here, search data for that. But for demographic data, I suggest you go to the summary button, which is that sideways M. Click that and bring over any of the demographic data that you have interest in. There's lots of it here, and you can go down through different years. 2016 and before right now are the census data. 2017, 2018 are projection data. So all of that information is there. You can just bring over whatever data that might be for your interest and establish that little spreadsheet, and you can export that out or add it to the map, or both, whatever you really need to do. So that gives you a sense of how that looks on the map. And I'm going to just drill in to that area so you can see that 10-mile circle. And then if we just quickly go back out again, you could take any given point that you've dropped on the map, select it, create a circle from that particular little button, that little circle button that comes up on the mini toolbar. Decide how far around you want to query that particular circle, and once again click on the the summary button, and then bring over whatever data you're interested in from the demographic side. Put that on the map, export it to file. However it is you need to use that data, go to mapbusinessonline.com and take our free trial. Thanks.